Wow! Free boat ride for two! Now, who should I take? T-Pain.
Cool.
Shall I?
Oh man, get your towels ready. This is about to go down. Everybody hit the frickin' deck. But stay on your pinky toes. We run this. Let's go. I'm on a boat.
I'm on a boat.
I'm on a boat.
I'm on a boat.
Everybody look at me cause I'm sailing on a boat.
Sailing on a boat.
I'm on a boat.
On a boat.
I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look at the tiny little boat.
Yeah.
I'm on a boat, Mr. Elko, take a look at me. Straight flowing on a boat on the deep blue sea. Busting 5 knots when whipping out my coat. You can't stop me now cause I'm on a boat. Take a picture, trick. I'm on a boat, snitch. We drinking Santana sham cause it's so crisp. I got my 9mm and my flippin' floppies. I'm flipping burgers, you at Kinko straight flipping copies. I'm riding on a dolphin doing flips and stuff. The dolphin splashing, getting everybody all wet. But this ain't SeaWorld, this is real as it gets. I'm on a boat, Mr. Elko, don't you ever forget. I'm on a boat and it's going fast and I got a nautical theme, pass me the Afghan. But I'm the king of the world, I'm on a boat like Leo. If you own the show, then your show not Neo. Man, I'm on a boat, Mr. Mariner.
Mr. Mariner.
Through trees, I climb buoys, Mr. Elko.
Mr. Elko.
I got my boys on deck, Mr. Mariner.
Mr. Mariner.
The boat engine making noise, Mr. Elko. Hey Ma, if you could see me now.
See me now.
Arms spread on the starboard bow.
Starboard bow.
Gonna fly this boat to the moon somehow.
Moon somehow.
Like Kevin Garnett, anything is possible!
Yeah, never thought I'd be on a boat. It's a big blue watery road. Poseidon, look at me. Ooh. Never thought I'd see the day. Have a big boat coming my way. Believe me when I say I shot a birdie.
I'm on a boat.
I'm on a boat.
I'm on a boat.
I'm on a boat.
Everybody look at me cause I'm sailing on a boat.
Sailing on a boat.
I'm on a boat.
On a boat.
I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look at the tiny little boat.
Yeah. Ooh. Sha-show. 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 Show-day. Show-day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pretty funny spoof, but we do have to apologize. We have to apologize to Jordan Banyas. We're not District Chorus. I'm not, Tim's not, and Dylan isn't, but you keep singing, and you protect your balls from Ficco, you know? You know, we forgot. We need to apologize to one more person, and that's Ficco. I mean, we're not rich, we don't live in the Heights. This is the best boat that we could do. I mean, wooden, unsturdy planks.
As you can see,
God forbid it's connected to the water.
Yeah.
So, sorry we couldn't get a real yacht.
Completely connected. Take a picture, trick. I'm on a boat, snitch. We drinking Santana sham cause it's so crisp. God, I forgot that line.
We got. That's the same. That's.
Alright, so I just threw our Santana champ in the water, so gotta go get it. It's like 60 out and the water pretty cold, so we'll go for it.
This is for Elko.
Oh!
My name is Borat.
It's so cold.
See, now what you got right here is Ross in the freezing water
Getting a whiskey bottle.
that he can't even see. You got it?
Oh!
Holy crap, it's cold. Oh, we got it.
Whoa!
Ross Montani, folks. Ross Montani.
Okay, we'll wait a bit for you to dry off.